You don't need a $500 controller to get that professional scratch sound. Today, I'm giving you the exact one-key mapping that changed everything for my channel. Go to Settings, Controllers. In the key box, press the letter B. In the action box, type or paste this exact code. Show it in large text on screen. Down, space, question mark, space, scratch, space, plus 120 ms, space, colon, space, scratch, space, minus 120 ms. This code tells Virtual DJ to scratch forward when you press the key and backward when you release it. It's the secret to that fast, rhythmic sound.
Make me kumbavu, Luka show them love. I don't know what it's up. I can't get enough for your love. Yeah, I'm falling for you for love. Siba kumuton sola ku hard. Chase you like a bagu waras. Sure you got the things I want. Sembela kumpi. Love you, run the track.
Panari na the PO 9 to 5 now do want a PO. No big pocket and do want a PO. Bounce up in my girl tie and a con man pour right every day man. You know share them a go and like see and the bag a do it way. Come every day you know we not here. Me no see no one. Run the track. Millions we go for not the beer boat crumbs. Hard girl than the bad that you all down. Fuck a bag of girl and we don't care about none. One in the head in the case, yeah. How you feel this thing and what you hear about? Not to you see we come and
If that mapping worked for you, comment B key below so I know. I'm working on a full no-gear DJ course next. Subscribe so you don't miss it.